Hey everyone, welcome to day 3 of the Etsy Hacks 30-day challenge. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about where you could add a clickable link on your Etsy store. And make sure that you watch to the end because I'm going to explain the benefits of adding this clickable link. So many of you guys might know this and many of you guys might not know this. However, Etsy does not allow you to add links to your shop announcement or to your description that takes the customer to another place besides Etsy. So if you try to promote your email list, if you try to promote your Instagram account or your Facebook page or your Facebook group, when people find the link, they will have to copy and paste it to their URL because it's not an actual clickable link. Now, the only place that they actually let you add a clickable link is in your About Me section. But what I notice is that many people don't have anything here. And I highly encourage everyone that's watching right now to add a clickable link. Now, the reason why I recommend adding a clickable link is because you can actually drive traffic, one, to your email list, to your blog, or social media. Now, if I had to choose which platform you should be driving traffic to, I recommend your email list because once you have them in your email list, then you could cross promote and say, hey, by the way, we are on Facebook or we are on Instagram or please join our group, right? But the email is going to be more important than a new follower on Instagram, or it's going to be more important than sending them to your blog and then maybe they don't sign up for anything in your blog and they leave, right? So capturing their lead is going to be the number one thing that I'm always going to recommend. Now, if you don't have an email list yet, then putting your Instagram account or putting your Facebook account is really important as well. The reason why is because you want to keep people in your ecosystem. You want them to not only find you on Etsy, but if they were to go on Instagram and they're browsing, you want them to see your posts. Now on Instagram, let's say, for example, you're promoting about your business, you're doing reels, maybe you're doing videos about what your brand is about, what your product's about. Now that person has more time to engage with your brand. And statistics say it takes about 7 to 10 times for a customer to engage with a brand before they even buy. So this is a great way to keep them in your ecosystem, which is what I talk about all the time in my course. I talk about all the time with anyone that talks about Etsy. Is really important to be for you as a brand to be pushed to people all the time. You know, that's how people get consistent sales on a regular basis. So if you don't have a link right here, I highly recommend adding one, whether it's to your email list. And if you don't have an email list, don't be like, oh, I'm not going to add one. Add your Instagram, add your Facebook group. Add something here that will take that customer potentially to another page that they could follow you and engage with you a lot more. And this is going to help you overall with your brand. And it could potentially get you more sales too, right? Because if they come back after they have engaged with you a couple times, they might be more likely to buy from you. So take the initiative of adding a link here. Let me know in the comments if you know about this, if you plan to add a link, and I hope you do. And if you enjoyed this video, please guys, like and comment and share. And I will see you on the next Etsy hack.